Welcome to 5-Minute English. Today we'll learn about Topic 12, Cooking, Kitchen Vocabulary. Let's get started. Before we start, here's an interesting trivia question for you. What is the name of the French dish made of eggs and cream, often cooked in a small dish? Think about it while we learn. Great! Now let's dive into today's vocabulary words. Pay attention and practice along.
Chop, to cut into pieces.
Example, I will chop the vegetables for the salad.
Boil, to cook in water at high temperature.
Example, you need to boil the pasta for 10 minutes.
Fry, to cook in hot oil.
Example, she likes to fry fish for dinner.
Bake, to cook in an oven.
Example, I will bake a cake for the party.
Season, to add flavor to food.
Example, don't forget to season the soup.
Stir, to mix with a spoon.
Example, stir the sauce until it thickens.
Grill, to cook over direct heat.
Example, we will grill the burgers outside.
Mix, to combine different ingredients.
Example, mix the flour and sugar together.
Slice, to cut into thin pieces.
Example, please slice the bread for the sandwiches.
Peel, to remove the outer layer.
Example, peel the potatoes before boiling them.
Pan, a container for cooking food.
Example, heat the pan before adding oil.
Pot, a deep container for cooking.
Example, put the soup in the pot to heat.
Spatula, a tool for flipping food.
Example, use a spatula to flip the pancakes.
Whisk, a tool for mixing liquids.
Example, beat the eggs with a whisk.
Bowl, a round container for mixing.
Example, put the ingredients in a bowl.
Excellent work. Now let's see these words in action with a real conversation. Now let's practice these words with a dialogue conversation.
Hey, do you want to help me cook dinner tonight?
Sure, what are we making?
I thought we could grill some chicken and bake potatoes.
Sounds great. I can chop the vegetables while you season the chicken.
Perfect. After that, we can mix the salad in a bowl.
Do you have a spatula for flipping the chicken?
Yes, I do. And I'll need a pot to boil the potatoes.
I'll peel them and then we can stir everything together.
Wonderful! You're doing great. Time for some fun practice with our quick pronunciation game.
Let's play a quick game. I'll say each of the 15 words and you repeat after me.
Chop. Boil. Fry. Bake. Season. Stir. Grill. Mix. Slice. Peel. Pun. Party. Spatula. Whisk. Bowl.
Here's the answer. The correct answer is crème brûlée. Crème brûlée is the correct answer because it is a French dessert. This dessert consists of a rich custard base topped with a layer of hardened caramelized sugar. The name crème brûlée means burnt cream in French. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more 5-Minute English Fast with MD. See you next time.